Hello everyone, have you ever tried idli in this manner? That is Dahi Idly. This recipe is totally mouth watering, yummy, and tasty, and at the same time healthy also. So, let us see how to prepare this. Here I have taken two small carrots, I have grated them and then put it aside, and then two chilies slit into pieces, and then I have fried groundnuts over here. It is completely optional. And then a little bit of coriander and some curry leaves. Even I have chopped them and I have put them aside. So groundnuts is completely optional. You can garnish in the end. So on the other hand, take a pan and add 1.5 tablespoon of oil just for the tadka or tampering. I have added only cumin seeds over here, and then our curry leaves. Do not add mustard seeds. I didn't add it because mustard seeds, they give some bitter taste to our dahi, so I didn't add them. And then add our grated carrot into it. I have left behind a little bit of raw grated carrot for the garnishing at the end. So check this out. You should not fry it until it turns brown, but just give a stir fry or just sort it out and then switch off the flame. And then in the end, add our chopped chilies into it, and that's it. Put it aside. Now on the other hand, I have taken a tumbler and added curd and a little bit of salt and a little bit of water, and then I have shaked well to make thick buttermilk. See, you should make a thick buttermilk, not not buttermilk in a pouring consistency. You can also blend it in a mixie jar. You can do either ways, and take that thick buttermilk into a bowl. And after preparing our idlis, when they are hot, just dip it into this thick buttermilk on both the sides and then take it into a plate and put it aside. Repeat this method for all the idlis you are going to prepare. Okay, so remember, if you do this, your idlis will be very soft and fluffy. So after that process, you need to add the thick curd into it, and then see that there are no pieces or lumps in the curd, and then add the fried mixture into it, and also add salt if you want at this time only. And then that's it. Add the soaked idlis, that is in the buttermilk, into a bowl, and add the thick curd mixture on top of it, and that's it. Garnish with some raw grated carrot and some coriander and the peanuts which we have, or groundnuts which we have fried earlier, and then serve it. That's it. It is so simple, yet it is so healthy and also delicious. Like, this is very spongy and also fluffy, and this is very mouth watering also. Mostly kids will truly love this recipe. So next time when you prepare idlis, try this. This is so refreshing, and also kids will truly love this, because we have been eating idlis with some chutneys in a regular manner. But if you serve idlis like this with some mouth watering yogurt and refreshing yogurt, truly everybody will love this. So go give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Bye bye.